Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another very short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning on how we can record in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices using the built-in recorder that we have in our device. And so for that, without further ado, let's get started. So it is very easy. Just go on your keyboard and then press and hold the Windows key and the G key together, and then you will get this kind of window here. All you need to do is just to hover your cursor into this icon, and then that is the capture option. So once you click on this icon here, you'll be seeing this kind of small window. So if you click on this one, this is the take screenshot option. So you can also do the shortcut, which is the window, alt, and print screen keys. You can also record the last 30 seconds by clicking on the Windows, Alt, and G key. And this is the start recording option. You can also do the shortcut Windows, Alt, and R key. And this is the mic while recording. So you can also turn off or on the mic while you are recording. And if you're done recording your screen, your games, or whatever things or whatever content that you want to record in your device, then you can also see your captures, your recording, your screenshots, and everything in this option here, see my captures option. And you can see the recent one. You can also have this deleted. Okay, so that's it. Let me just close this one. That's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.